Create your own AI chatbot in minutes, no coding needed. Hey everyone, imagine this. You have a virtual assistant, an AI chatbot, that can answer questions, help you stay organized, or even keep you company. And guess what? You don't have to be a tech expert or write a single line of code to make it happen. Today, I'm going to show you, step by step, how to create your very own AI chatbot in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful AI bot at your fingertips, ready to go live. Sounds exciting? Let's jump in. Section 1. Why build a chatbot? So you might be wondering, why build a chatbot? Chatbots are everywhere these days, from customer service on your favorite websites to personal assistants and apps. They can save time, answer questions instantly, and even improve your productivity. But here's the best part. Making a chatbot is no longer just for developers or tech experts. With today's tools, anyone, yes, anyone, can create a chatbot that's customized to their needs, and it's a lot easier than you might think. Section 2. Choosing your platform. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is picking the right platform. Today we're using chatbot.com, an easy, no-code platform that's perfect for beginners. Open up a new tab, type in chatbot.com, and sign up for an account. They offer a free plan that's perfect for trying things out, so no need to worry about any upfront costs. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard that's designed for simplicity. No overwhelming options or tech jargon here. It's designed so that even if you've never built a chatbot before, you can get started with ease. They have several templates to choose from, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. Let's start by picking a template. Section 3. Choosing the right template. Now that we're in the platform, let's choose a template. Chatbot.com offers a range of options like a customer service bot, an FAQ bot, or a personal assistant bot. Let's say you're building this for a small business or even just for fun. The FAQ bot is a great place to start because it can answer frequently asked questions quickly, so you'll never have to worry about responding to the same question 100 times. Once you select your template, the platform sets up a basic structure for you. This includes a welcome message, a couple of sample questions, and even some automated responses. You're already halfway there, and all you've done so far is click a couple of buttons. Section 4. Personalizing the chatbot's responses. Alright, this is where the magic happens. Customizing your chatbot's responses. Click on the Customize tab and you'll see a simple editor where you can edit any of the existing responses or add new ones. Imagine you're setting this up for a coffee shop. You can edit the welcome message to say something like, "Hey there, welcome to Coffee Express, how can I help you today?" Now let's add some common questions like, "What's today's special?" Or, "Do you offer any dairy-free options?" The best part? You can adjust each response to sound as formal or as casual as you like. It's your chatbot, so make it match your unique style. Remember, a good chatbot feels friendly and approachable. Avoid robotic language and keep it conversational. Adding in phrases like, "sure thing," or "got it, coming right up," will make the experience feel more human and enjoyable for your users. Section 5. Adding advanced customization and personality. Let's take things a step further and add some personality to your chatbot. Chatbot.com has a cool feature that lets you create branching conversations. This means that based on a user's response, your chatbot can direct them down different paths. For instance, if a customer asks, "What are your best sellers?" you could add a response like, "Our most popular drink is the iced caramel macchiato. Would you like to know more about our hot beverages or our seasonal favorites?" This keeps the conversation going and gives your chatbot a more dynamic feel. Another great tip is to add little extras like jokes or fun facts. If someone says, "Tell me a joke," your chatbot could respond with, Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged." Small touches like these can really enhance the user experience. Section 6. Testing and fine-tuning your chatbot. Once you've got your responses and personality dialed in, it's time to test it out. Testing your chatbot is crucial because it allows you to see how it handles various questions and conversations. Chatbot.com has a preview button that lets you try out your bot in real time. Think of this as a test drive. Click on Preview, type in a few questions, and see how the chatbot responds. Does it sound natural? Are there any areas where it seems to get confused? Adjust the answers as needed to make sure it's ready to handle whatever questions come its way. It might take a couple of tweaks, but remember, it's all about creating a smooth, enjoyable experience for your users. Section 7. Going live and sharing your chatbot. Now that your chatbot is set up and polished, it's time to go live. Chatbot.com offers a few integration options. You can add the chatbot to your website, social media, or even share it as a link. This flexibility means you can use your chatbot anywhere it's needed. Once it's live, keep an eye on the analytics. You can track things like how many people are using your chatbot, what questions are being asked the most, and where users are dropping off. This data is incredibly useful. It can help you refine and improve your chatbot over time, so it just keeps getting better. Section 8. Final thoughts. And there you have it. You've just created your very own AI chatbot with no coding whatsoever. Think about all the ways you can use this, whether it's to automate tasks, provide support, or just have a fun little AI assistant to play around with. Remember, this is just the beginning. The more you experiment and update your chatbot, the more versatile it will become. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials. And hey, if you create your own chatbot, drop the link in the comments. I'd love to check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy chatbot building!